settle yourself into a comfortable position. You can close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to get to. Just allow yourself to arrive here. Take a slow, steady breath in and gently exhale. Again, breathing in and out. Let your breath begin to settle into its own rhythm. As you sit here, I want you to bring your attention inward. Not to change anything, just to notice. For a long time, you may have been guided by something outside of yourself. Told what to think, what to believe, what was right and what was wrong. And over time, that can create a quiet distance between you and your own voice. So, if trusting yourself feels unfamiliar or even difficult, that's okay. There is nothing wrong with you. Just notice how it feels to be here. Without needing to decide anything. Without needing to prove anything. Just being. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice the points of contact beneath you. The steadiness. The support. Even now, you are being held. And as you sit here, I want to offer you a simple idea. You don't need to fully trust yourself yet. You can begin with something much smaller. You can begin by listening. Listening to what feels calm and what feels tense. Listening to what brings a sense of ease and what feels heavy. There's no need to label it. No need to analyze it. Just noticing gently. You may begin to realize that your body already responds to what feels right and what doesn't, even in subtle ways. And that awareness is a beginning. Take another slow breath in and exhale. If it feels right, bring to mind a small decision in your life. Nothing overwhelming, just something simple. And instead of thinking your way through it, just notice what your body does. Is there a sense of openness? Or a sense of resistance? A quiet pull forward? Or a hesitation? There is no right answer here. Just information. And this is how trust begins. Not in big, certain leaps, but in small, quiet moments of noticing. You don't need to get it right. You don't need to be sure. You are simply beginning to listen. A little more than before. And each time you do that, each time you pause and notice, you are gently rebuilding something that was always yours. Take a moment here just to rest in that. There is nothing to prove, nothing to force, nothing to fix. Just this quiet return to yourself. Take a slow breath in and gently exhale. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Carry this with you. You don't have to trust yourself completely. You just have to be willing to begin.